Hey guys, how you guys doing today? So guys, today what I'm working on is I'm taking this leather jacket that's mine, and I picked up this fur from my local fabric store, guys. And what I'm doing is I'm gonna do the fur trim thing going all the way around, and then I'm gonna do it around the sleeves, and I might not do the pockets, but it was a coat that was trending around the internet. So I'm just going to kind of show you guys what I was doing. So guys, this side is already done. So basically what I did, guys, took the hot glue gun and glued it this way. And I'm going to show you guys. And then flipped it over and glued it the other way. So basically, if you guys see, I glued it to the front, to the opposite side of the coat. Glued it all the way around like that, guys. And then now I'm finna take it, guys, and flip it over. And I'm going to glue it to this side. But what I wind up doing, guys, is just to give it a little bit of structure. And I know I probably didn't say that right, guys. I take some mortar fur like this, and that's going to make it have that thickness. And I put it up in there, guys. Stuff it up in there. And then I'm rolling it over. And if you guys see, that makes it a little bit more poofy. And now, guys, we're just going to secure it down now. So I got the hot glue gun ready. And be careful, guys, because this is going to be the dangerous part. So I'm just taking it, rolling it over, and I'm gluing it down now, guys. And guys, you get the hot glue gun, get the hot glue gun that is made for fabrics, because some of this stuff will come loose. So try to get you a good enough piece where it won't. So I'm just wedging it in there, guys. Rolling it down, and then I'm just finna take the glue and put it right back there like that, guys. And I got it folded and roll it down because we don't want it to come loose. And we're going to do the same like this. Put another glue stick in, guys. And then, guys, that's pretty much it. That's how you're going to do the fur going around. And then I'll come back and show you guys how to do the sleeves. Sorry, guys, I'm doing this off my phone, so I do not have a lot of memory. So that's why you guys see me do it like this and kind of speeding it up. It's kind of just self-explanatory. So once you learn those pieces, you got it. Okay, I'm going to come back, guys. Bye. Hey, guys, so I already attached the sleeve part. I'm starting to attach it. So basically, guys, just measure off your sleeves and put it around the coat to where it needs to be. And now what I did, guys, I got this side facing out because I'm going to tuck this part. So now what I'm going to do is, you guys see I'm taking a hot glue gun. I'm going around like this, guys, because this part is going to go over. And I'm going to fold to make it stay. So, guys, this is the part I want you guys to be careful. So now, oh, Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Okay, flip it back up. Flip it back up. And now fold under, guys. Like so. And be careful not to burn yourself, so that the raw edges will not show. So if you guys see, this is how the sleeve should be looking. And then it's not connected to this part. So then I'm going to go back in here, guys, and put the glue going around so I can connect this part to that part. And we're doing the sleeves. Just please be careful not to burn yourself, because this is the dangerous part. So we're attaching the sleeves, guys. The sleeves is being attached. Where's my other sleeve? Uh-oh. Don't tell me. Okay, here we go. I'm going to show you guys. Okay. So you guys see that? And guys, find a glue that's made for fabrics. Look at the hot glue. Don't get a really cheap hot glue because this stuff will fall apart. Okay, so if you see the sleeve. So basically, let me show you guys how I did it. So you see this, guys? You're going to take this. Get to the end. You can either sew it or glue it. I just prefer to glue it. Glue it closed. And then you're going to connect it to this other sleeve, guys. So that's pretty much all that I'm doing, guys. So I'm just going to keep finishing this sleeve. And I'll come back. I'm going to decide if I'm going to put some fur around the bottom part of it. But I got to throw on some leggings so I can try it on for you guys. Okay then, guys. I'll be back in a minute. Bye. Okay, so this is the final result of that coat that I made, guys. If you guys see. So you guys can take a old leather coat. And guys, just go online or go on a fabric store, pick up you guys some fur. And I added it around the collar. And I added it around the sleeves. And I actually got enough left over for some boots and a headband at a later date, guys. So, yeah, I have quite a bit left over where I can also make a head wrap, guys. So I can do the full set. But, guys, yes. And I'll put you guys the coat that was trending on the internet. And theirs actually had... You guys want to go the extra mile. Theirs actually had fur going around like this as well. Gino, hush and wait. Theirs actually had fur also going around the bottom of the coat. But if I do that, I will kill the pocket. So I guess I decided not to do that part, guys. And then the last thing, guys, if you wanted to be able to close, you have to go to Michael's and get hook and eyes. This fabric store didn't have any hook and eyes, so I get the little fur hook and eyes, and you'll be able to hook the piece right there where it'll be able to stay closed. So as always, guys, thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, here is the finished result of the jacket that I made. I got inspired by this jacket from a jacket that I saw on Instagram, guys. So if you guys want to turn old jackets into new jackets with the fur collar and the fur sleeves, here's the coat that inspired me, guys. So I liked this jacket a lot, guys. So as always, guys, thank you guys for watching. Happy sewing, happy glowing. Bye-bye.